Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and 1 to 3 countings. Let's start. Pink color. A. A for avocado. B. B for butterfly. C. C for candy. D. D for donut. E. E for egg. Light green color. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for house. I for eyes. J. J for jug. Brown color. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. Red color. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. Blue pen. A for apple. A for apricot. B for bat. B for ball. C for cat. C for candy. D for donut. D for donkey. E for egg. E for eggplant. F for frog. F for fish. G for goat. G for guava. H for hen. H for house. I for eyes. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for jug. O and E 1. O and E 1. TWO 2. TWO 2. THREE 3. THREE 3. FOUR 4. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. FIVE 5. SIX 6. SIX 6. SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. NINE 9. TEN 10. TEN 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.